Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Poco M2 Pro versus the Poco X3 device. As you can see right now, I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. So in this video, I'll be comparing both the displays side by side by playing the same video in both the smartphones. So first thing is that both phones, they do look kind of similar because of the having punch hole cameras, as you can see exactly in the same position of both the smartphones. And before starting the video as well, let me try to show you the properties of both the phones, screens, size and resolution and everything. So in terms of the screen type, both phones, they do use the IPS LCD panel. So same kind of thing is there in both the phones. Same screen size, same resolution, same ratio, same Gorilla Glass 5. And one thing is different is that higher refresh rate. So the Poco X3 has the higher refresh rate 120 Hz, whereas the Poco M2 Pro doesn't have any higher refresh rate. So that is the only major difference between both the phones. So in this video, we'll be focusing only on the video clarity, which phone is the best and why. So that's why the higher refresh rate I won't be counting in this as a test. So because even if I say it's good, you won't be able to notice in this video as well. And make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru for more interesting videos on the Poco X3, and also follow the playlist only dedicated for the Poco X3 smartphone. You can find plenty of interesting videos where I have already uploaded so many videos on the Poco X3 device. So let's get started with the comparison. And first thing is that let me try to open the display here in both the phones and show you the color scheme what I am selecting right now. So I selected the saturated settings. As you can clearly see the settings, as you can see here. So these are the same kind of settings which are present in both the smartphones, Poco M2 Pro and the Poco X3 device. So now let me try to open the same video in both the smartphones and compare side by side. So as you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones, and this is kind of confusing for you because both phones, they do have the same kind of display. So it is the Poco X3 is the bottom phone which I'm using. So one thing is that I did notice the Poco X3's punch hole camera is little bit smaller than the Poco M2 Pros. So if you notice, as you can see here, so there is a slight difference, small is there in the Poco X3 when you compare to the Poco M2 Pro device. So just now I did notice while playing this video comparison side by side, I got to know that kind of change. So when I compare both phones at same time, as you can see friends, I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones with full brightness at the moment. So full brightness. I can see the Poco X3's brightness is slightly higher, and let me try to decrease the studio lighting effect as well so we can understand clearly. And there is one more option available in the Poco X3 device, so where you can add the video toolbox as MX player, and you can get the different color modes in the Poco X3 device. So now let me try to show you how to do that. So you need to go to the settings and go to special features and go to the video toolbox and try to add the MX player as application. So search for the MX player application and now go to the MX player, and now let me try to play the same video from the beginning. So in the side you can get this kind of side video toolbox. So here you can change the colors, so according to your need. As you can see, the brightness keeps on changing and the saturated colors as well. So if you use this kind of settings, then only you can feel the actual difference between both the smartphones. If you don't use any settings, then definitely both they do look kind of same to each other. So there is nothing much difference happening at the moment. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. As you can see, in 10 brightness both are kind of same. Now let me decrease to 5. So these are 5 brightness mode, and let me try to decrease the 0 and 0 mode. So overall friends, apart from the 120 Hz display refresh rate, so there is nothing much difference between both of the smartphones. So both phones are pretty good to each other, close to each other, so there is nothing difference. So there is also another option which is called the color boost option, so which is available in the Poco X3 device, so which is also found in the Poco X2. So if you don't know what is the color boost, try to find the YouTube search bar, just type the Poco X2 color boost and you can find so many videos which I have uploaded in my channel. so where you can increase the colors using even that mode as well. So there is separate videos which I did. So I'll try to do the same kind of video on the Poco X3 phone as well, if you want to know what is that is. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick comparison between both the displays. So definitely subscribe to my channel for more latest information on the Poco X3 device, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.